I'm going to show you how I get this blow dry with my Dyson. For frizz, Colour Wow Dream Coat, this is one of my holy grail products to help it be really smooth. With this attachment, dry my roots first, angle it upwards just to get some more root lift. To help prolong my curl, Colour Wow extra large bombshell. My hair is about 90% dry, the roots are completely dry. Section just where my temples are. First section, I'm going to give it a brush. Biggest barrel, I like to go full heat with this. Angle it like this so there's more root lift. It's getting dry, cold setting, completely dry. Take it out, and that's your first curl. Other side, twist the top, pinch the section, pull it right down, cold shot, take it out. Next section, where my hairline is, give it a brush. This section's going to be curled towards my face to get that extra root lift. Get on cold, set the curl in place. Make sure your hair is like evenly distributed across the barrel. Pinch, curl the bottom. Top section. Putting my part in, take the back section. Wrap the hair like I would a wand. Curl this away from my face. The fringe, I'm going to use the smaller barrel. Wrapping the hair away from the face. Bigger barrel. Over the top and wrap the hair. Smaller barrel over the top. Angle it down like this so it's going to give you that curtain fringe. Cool Girl texture spray. Wide tooth comb. Matrix Food for Soft. Let me show you the back. Looks pretty good.